Welcome to this technical guide on the Roomba S9. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Roomba S9 isn't cleaning properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a worn-out battery or a clogged filter. If left unattended, your robot may struggle to navigate or pick up dirt effectively, leading to decreased performance and, ultimately, a less clean home. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a new battery, a replacement filter, and possibly a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have everything ready before beginning. First, ensure your Roomba S9 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, flip it over and locate the screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Gently lift the cover off to reveal the internal components. The most common culprit for inadequate cleaning is typically the battery or the filter. To locate the battery, look for the rectangular component attached to the underside of the device. If you see that it appears swollen or discolored, it's time for a replacement. To extract the battery, carefully disconnect the cables attached to it. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it away from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the same slot, ensuring that the connectors align correctly. Secure the battery in place and reconnect the cables. Next, let's address the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the brush assembly. Open the compartment and carefully pull out the old filter. If it looks dirty or clogged, it's wise to replace it with a new one. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it's seated properly. Once everything is replaced, it's time to reassemble the Roomba. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but do not over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After reassembling, turn on your Roomba S9 and observe if it functions correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly clean the brushes and filters, and consider replacing the battery every couple of years. Keeping your Roomba well maintained will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.